We take for granted life and death. In our day-to-day life, children are born and people around us die, and we just feel it is natural and too common. But some of us are not so lucky, and for those, we give hope at GIFT IVF Center. Infertility was not so common in the good old days, but now it is more familiar in our society due to food and lifestyle changes and other social and environmental issues. We, in our center, have well-experienced and qualified doctors and medical staff. Our doctors have international experience and practice holistic treatment methods, and hence open to combined treatment methods of East and West, which produce greater results at lesser time and lesser expense. Booking appointments is easy, either directly or through phone or online.
We have developed highly skilled medical team and cutting-edge IVF technology over the last 20 years. Our team will provide you with individualistic, stress-free treatment for a successful outcome. And I guarantee that we do ethical practice and 100% transparent practice.
GIFT IVF Center is located in the middle of Kerala, just a 5 minutes drive from the Cochin International Airport or 100 meters from the National Highway. Yet, cradled in a serene atmosphere with greenery all around and away from the hustle and bustle of the city with all the privacy one can expect, as this hospital is exclusively for treating infertility. The patients are offered complete privacy and counseling services. Counseling is a very important part of infertility treatment, and all the available options are discussed, including side effects and costs of all treatments. We provide investigations for all infertility patients in the form of hormone analysis, infection screening, semen analysis, and also screening for autoimmune disorders are done to evaluate the patients. Ultrasound scanning is an important tool to find out the causes of the problem and also to monitor during pregnancies. All the procedures are done by experienced senior doctors, some trained in the best centers from the UK. GIFT IVF Center is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery imported from around the world with cutting-edge technology, both in the operation theatre and the IVF lab, which is maintained in a very hygienic environment. The IVF lab is highly secured with biometrics security protocols. Our well-trained and experienced embryologists will make sure that the gametes in the form of eggs which are collected are fertilized either by IVF or ICSI procedures, and these resulting embryos are grown in the IVF lab for 2 to 5 days period. They are kept inside the incubators in a specialized media, and all the equipment which are used are disposables and used only once. Embryos can be frozen for future use in large cylinders with liquid nitrogen, and they can be stored up to 2 to 5 years or even more if the patient requires. The embryos are transferred to the patient either as fresh embryo transfer or frozen embryo transfer. The patients are monitored for 2 weeks, either in the hospital or from home before a pregnancy test is done. During pregnancy, the patient is again closely monitored as IVF pregnancy requires regular scans and monitoring. We have residential facilities for patients who have had problems in the past to get admitted in the hospital as an inpatient for intensive care and management. All medical details of the patients are discussed among the medical team on a regular basis to keep all updated. The medications are very different in IVF compared to a normal pregnancy, and hence patients are advised in detail as to the medication and dosages. We maintain high level of transparency throughout the procedure, which makes our patients more comfortable till the end, when the patient is blessed with a healthy baby and the dream comes true. We help bring life where there is no hope at GIFT IVF Center.